Hi guys, MonkeysNutsCom here. As you can see, I'm on a hill somewhere. I'm a bit out of breath because I've just walked up a really steep little path, and I've got a lot of steps to go to get to the top of this hill. And well, where am I? I'm actually, well, that on the other side is Moel Famau, which is quite nice. It's a common walking place. Might be able to see down there somewhere a little yellow car. It's not mine. My car is actually right down here at the bottom. Don't know if my finger's going to be in the way. But yeah, I found another yellow car. I've seen quite a lot of them today. The reason I didn't go and have a walk up Moel Famau, so you've actually got to go and pay for parking down there on the Moel Famau side. On this side of the car park, I couldn't find a pay machine, so as far as I know, you didn't have to pay. But I've decided to walk up here anyway because it's a bit of a change. I think in terms of the height, the hill height, this one is a little bit shorter. I'm going to see the doctor today, or the nurse, about my cough, because it's seriously concerning me, and I've got a wedding in a few days, so I don't really want to be ill for that. You can see down here that you're looking at well, I think Ruthyn is just to the left, just around the hill. I think you can see Llynbrennig right in the far distance. It probably isn't visible on the camera because there's quite a low cloud today. I think it's coming in as well, actually. But yeah, looking down the valley, this is one of the few places where they've actually tried to preserve the woodland for walks and things. It's rained today at some point, which is causing a bit of problem with me driving because I seem to keep understeering on corners. And I also seem to be locking up my brakes, my wheels under braking constantly, even when I'm not heavy braking, or I'm not even on the brakes for sort of like long. I mean, if I jam my brakes and out, just keep going, don't stop. Oh. The wheels seem to just keep locking up, so there's a lot of mud and stuff on the road, so I've got to be careful now. I'm going to be careful on the way home. I've come up a steep road, which, to be honest, I don't feel safe going down, especially in this weather and with my car. I'm not going to stand in the same place because people will end up complaining, so I'm going to start heading up here, see if I can get to the top at some point. And hopefully there'll be like a nice view. This is a big step. So what I'll do is I'll cut the video short here before I start getting out of breath and unable to talk. And I will see you all in a second. Well, I'm not at the tip top, but I'm as high as I want to go, really. Well, no, I want to go higher, but I am so out of breath. I could head back down now. make my way home. But yeah, it's a lovely view up here. Shame you can't really see it, because I can see oh, what is it? No, not Chester. I can see Queen's Ferry and Connors Quay over there, top of the hills. There's Moel Famau up there, Ruthin down there, or Ruthin, or whatever you want to call it. I've got a lot of steps to go down now to get back to the car, but I'm gonna head off now anyway. God, I'm out of breath, I'm unfit. But yeah, I'm gonna go flying down these steps now, because they're on a bit of a slope. Oh God, I can't really do this holding the camera, so I'm gonna go now. Oh God, it's so dangerous this. I might catch you at the bottom. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. Nearly at my car. It was really sketchy coming down here. Feet kept slipping. But safely, oh God, I'm safely down now. Dripping in sweat. I've got a stone in my shoe which is really, really sore, and it's annoying me. God. And back down. Little car just waiting for me. So this hasn't been much of a in-car vlog, but yeah, I might do a bit more walking, maybe actually up Moel Famau next time, maybe when I've got a bit more time. But see you all later. Bye. Oh, let's say hello to these sheep. Hello, sheep. Having some nice grass. Oh wow, me coffee made them jump. Bye, sheep. Shitting out, what the hell was that? Yeah, but it was a bird. Jumped right out in front of the bloody car, didn't it? Scared the crap out of me. Look at it, poor thing's panting. I'm not going to touch it or anything. Bloody hell. Scared the crap out of me. Can't really do much. Bird jumps out in front of you. That's pretty much it.